I had one very close friend that was had been on a train on a train from Berlin to Amsterdam. In effect, away from her family for many years in this community, and to her, the reason that she had been sent was because she was Jewish. To her, it was important to be religious, and for her children to go to regular shul. We were close friends, and the kids were close, and we grew up. And my kids went to shul, and her kids went to Hebrew school. They'd been in school for quite a while. She said to me, "You know, my kids have learned to recite a portion of the Talmud, but your kids have learned who they are and where they come from."